babes, how you doing? So I've been getting a lot of DMs and messages on my photos asking me about my lock jewelry. So I decided to make a video about it. Okay. Basically, it's not a specific, or it's not a made piece of jewelry for locks. They're basically just beads, like seed beads from the craft store that I just slide onto my lock. Okay. And I'm just going to show you guys how I do that. I just use this, I think it's called a beading needle. It's just like a little needle, fine needle that has a split in it. And I just basically, I'm going to show you what I do. So I'm just going to take a lock that has like a really coily end. Okay. And I basically just slip the lock, the end of the lock, through the needle, fold the hair up, and then just kind of hold it in place. Okay. And then I just place the little beads, which is, I don't know, you probably won't be able to see it, but anyway, let me just slide it on up. So you just slide it up the needle, up on the hair or the lock, and that's all I pretty much do. I just randomly select colors and then just slide it on up the lock like so. Let me see. And it's really quick, no special tricks, really simple. All right, and then I'm just gonna slide them all the way up and unattach my hair to the needle without snatching my hair. Okay. All right, so as you can see, there's nothing holding the beads. You can just slide them up and down. The coily ends of my hair, the way my locks are, you know, my ends are very coily. That pretty much keeps the locks from sliding off, but sometimes they do slide off and it's like whatever, I'll just put more on it. But basically, that's how I do it. Now, if your locks are mature or thicker than mine, like for instance, the part of the lock, let's see if I can show you, that has matured and thickened, the seed bead is not gonna go up that far. So, you know, see? So if your locks are thick and full, this is not gonna work. Once my locks completely lock and mature all the way down the shaft of the lock, I'm not gonna be able to wear these, I'm sure. But for now, I'm just enjoying the style, enjoying the beads, putting little accents in my hair. And that's basically it. That's all it is to it. I leave them on pretty much. Oh, you see all my little grays. This is my gray lock, by the way. I just basically leave them on, and when I wash my locks, I take them off. And when I go get my locks retightened, I take them off as well, because they'll be in the way when, you know, they're trying to relock the hair, so, or retighten the hair. So that's basically all it is. It's nothing special. It's just seed beads that I slide up onto my locks, and pretty much it. All right, so hope this video is helpful, and see you guys soon. Bye.